Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is Ann. Today I'm going to show you guys my easy way to shape the perfect eyebrow for your face. When it comes to eyebrow, the one size fits all never works. It can be thin or thick, curved or straight. And the list is never ending. If you think you follow all the basic rules and your eyebrows still look weird, basic rule, people tell you to do these. Or you ever wonder why popular Korean eyebrow looks so much different than the one in America? You should definitely watch this video. And the reason why I just started this topic is because I never need to shape my eyebrow until 2 weeks ago I trimmed them. So anyway, this is the side I just draw and this is the messed up side. So I come up with this easy and different way hoping to solve the problem. And that's what my channel is about. It's about finding the most convenient way to incorporate the current trends into your personal style. So if you're new here, consider subscribing. So let's start. First, find the most flattering brow shape for your face. If you have square face, which means your forehead, cheekbones, and jawline are the same width, a square jaw is a strong feature. So balance it with a strong brow or soften with a curves. And that's how I do it. There's so many eyebrow products on the market, like eyebrow gel, powder, and pencil. To me, my favorite is pencil. And specifically is this one. I just got it from Target. It's called Pixie Natural Brow Duo. So one side it's a pencil. It's not like regular pencil. It's a triangle shape, which gives it a more precise and the natural look. And that's what it looks like. It's basically a life changer. And the other side is a clear gel to keep everything in place. And about the color, I recommend to choose one tone or two tone lighter than your natural hair color, because even though you have black hair, the black eyebrow just make it look too harsh. And if you have a round face, that is the widest at your cheeks, you might want to opt for a high arch brow to create the illusion of a longer face. It's all about the balance. A thicker eyebrow can balance your round face shape more effectively. Generally speaking, the thicker eyebrow and the longer eyebrow is, the smaller and thinner your face will be. In this picture, you can clearly tell the difference. An eyebrow can totally change your face shape. Long face, which means the width of your face is less than 2/3 of your face length. A flat brow shape accomplishes this. The way I draw my eyebrow is super easy. So I start with 3 dots. To start, arc, and the end. Then connect the dots with the line by following the natural path of your eyebrow. To give it a more natural look, brush up the front part. Don't make it a whole square. You probably wonder how I decide where the 3 dots should be. Well, for the starting point, I didn't use the normal rule, which is using Twitter to line up. Well, that's a common mistake I've seen lots of people making. The rule only works for certain people. It doesn't work for people who are naturally born with eyes closer or wider. So the best way I find is the distance between 2 eyebrows should be the same length of your eye. And for the arch point, it also depends on the face type. Since I want my eyebrow long enough to cover the jawline, the arch should be located in the middle of outer rim of my iris and the edge of my eye. As far as the end point, if you wear it for daily work or just hang out with friends, you can use the rule, which is follow a straight line up from the corner of your nose to the outer edge of your eye. But if you're taking a photo shot, a longer eyebrow end will make you look gorgeous. How many times when you take a selfie, you wonder where my eyebrow goes? For long face, which means the width of your face is less than 2/3 of your face length, a flat brow shape accomplishes this. Its horizontal shape makes the face appear shorter. So follow the illustrator I gave you and see if that works or not. Another mistake I've seen people make is that when they're using the color gel, they apply it directly on their eyebrow. Since the gel color is so rich, it makes it look like a character from the cartoon. So to have a more natural look, first you need to get rid of the extra and then only apply on top of your eyebrow to make it look more natural. So really there's no strict rule about how to shape a perfect eyebrow because each one is different. You just need to keep trying and stick to the natural shape of your eyebrow. Avoid making it either too bushy or too thin, and then you'll get it. Well, try my method and see if it works for you. And if you have better or more creative ideas, definitely let me know because I'm open to creative ideas. And thank you.